Welcome to Rainforest Landscaping LLC, where you will find high quality and cost effective commercial and residential landscaping services. For 17 years, we have been the leading landscaping service providers of Palmer, Texas. We offer the services of landscaping design, landscape maintenance and installation, lawn care, mulching, tree removal, and more. For more information about the company, visit our website at rainforestlandscapingllc.net and our Google My Business profile. For the latest offers and promotions, follow us on all our social networks. Call us at 214-927-7436 and 469-530-7334 for a free estimate on your upcoming project. Rainforest Landscaping LLC, where you are the #1 priority.